Okay, so for video 2, how to do the Google Sites portfolio, one of the first things you might want to do is actually change the name. When we were showing the portfolio itself, you notice that I had to put in kind of this messy starter name just to get a distinct site. So I'll probably want to change this so that it's something more representative of the website when people click onto it, when you're ready to submit it. To do that, you use the settings wheel in the upper right hand corner, and you'll go down to the Manage Site tab. From here, you'll notice one of the first options is to change your name. Now, this won't affect your URL. This will just simply change the name on that first home page. Equally, if you don't want the page that's already selected to be your landing page, you can change your landing page by changing this section down here. That means the page that will first show up when people use your Google site. But for the most part, the important thing here is that this is how you get to it if you just want to change for your actual name of the site. So I might just do simply Seahorn Portfolio, or you could do Seahorn Advanced Writing Portfolio. This part is up to you. Just pick something that makes sense for the site. The other thing I would show, since I'm on this screen, is that you can also change your security settings. So down the left-hand side of the menu, notice that under the General tab, there's one for sharing and permissions. If you click on that, oh, sorry, I need to save my name change. Click your name change and save it. Make that correction. Okay, and then once it says your savings have been changed, to adjust your permissions for who can see your site, you would click on sharing and permissions. And then this is very much like other Google Docs, Google Drive options where you can decide who gets to see it. It's going to default to anyone on the web can find your information. For obvious reasons, lots of times people don't want that information public, and so if you want to change it, again, I'm in the Manage Site tab. From the Settings wheel, I'm at Sharing and Permissions, and then I can click Change here under the option. Now, you can select with specific people. What I have found is that sometimes students do that and then they forget to give me permission, and then I can't access their site during finals week when I'm trying to grade their portfolios. So I tend to suggest, if you change your security settings, to do this one here with the link. That way, the moment you put your link into Blackboard, I'll have access, won't have an issue, and only people with the link will be able to find your site. That is up to you, of course, but if you do select only specific people, you need to make sure that I'm one of the specific people you give the availability to. Tell it to save. And then you're all set. So now only anyone with the link can view my site, and it's protected from just general searches. Okay, folks, I'm going to end this one for the video, and then the next time I'll show you how to start to edit your site.